Job title is Infrastructure Analyst, and the industry is retail, vSAN. Okay, so we're using it for management of all the data that we collect from various, from our customer bases and from our 500 plus locations. So there's that, and there's the data that we use to manage employee systems, and so it's both ends of the business. It's the actual retail side of the business as well as the internal operations. The most valuable feature is that vSAN offers is reliability. So that's in my mind, as long as their storage is up and running, we can always access what we need when we need it. That's what's important. Well, it's super important to have reliability for particularly internal operations, for employee data, payroll management, and then as well as the external side, or I should say the customer side of the equation, with customer information, customer databases. vSAN has improved the organization just based on the overall speed, so it's a lot faster than what we've used in the past. The old school storage systems were kind of slow and cumbersome. This is much faster, it's much more reliable. In the past, we've gone with, well, the company's been around for quite a while, so we go back to some of the earliest days of spinning disks and local small data center at the corporate office, to the point now where we've grown to where we have our own data center and racks upon racks upon racks of storage. The stability of vSAN has been pretty much flawless for us. Scalability, pretty simple. You just add more and away you go. Well, as the data sets are constantly growing, so we have internal needs that new VMs are getting spun up all the time. They're gobbling up all kinds of storage space, and we try not to overcommit too much, but everybody does, right? So, but it's constantly growing, and we're constantly adding to it. I have personally not contacted tech support at VMware for vSAN. I was not involved in the setup on that side either. That's a different team does that. Areas of improvement could be the UIs are a little bit, I've seen them, I've worked with them a little bit. The UIs are kind of cumbersome. There could be easier way than having the UUIDs associated to the LUNs that could be simplified to make life a little easier to search, and naming conventions and being able to search them down, and for overall utilization, ease of utilization. Well, I think the primary ROI for this is just its stability. That's the key. I can't really speak to the cost side of the equation, but I can speak to the stability side, and I know that it's critically important to us to have our data available to us when we need it. And since we've gone over to the vSAN solution, it's been very stable. It has, when we're choosing a vendor, there's kind of two factors involved, and the lowest price isn't always the most important. We need a vendor who provides really good support and products that really meet our needs well. I'm going to rate it as a 10 because it just works. It's always solid.